Hey everybody, I'm coming to you with a quick Christmas layout. Um, the paper that I'm using is from Carta Bella, the Christmas time collection. I picked out the paper with the Santa on it for my background and already inked it. The green paper there that says Merry Christmas is cut 5.5 by 7, and the solid red is cut 8.5 by 5. And to save time, I already inked it with some brown ink for the edges. So I layer them on top of each other and then put some adhesive and adhere them to my background. Now for this layout, I'm using 2 photos, one that goes vertically and one that goes horizontally. So that's why, that's why the papers are layered the way they are. The inside the photos are my daughter Mariela and my son Elijah and our dog Charlotte. The title says family, and that is from Thickers. I'm also using my Thickers ruler to align it down. Now I decided not to use the gold dot that came with the title. Instead, I'm going to adhere a heart made out of wood. I get one of the tags that are part of the collection. I cut it in half and I tuck it in behind the photo. And the tag says, "'Twas the night before Christmas when all through the house." It's that story or that poem. And I'm kind of looking and thinking, you know what, this really doesn't need a whole lot because there's already so much happening in the background, but it definitely needs some spritz. So I get my barrier there, and I am covering my photos. I am using the Heidi Swap Sweet Cherry Iridescent Spritz and the Chartreuse, which is a green iridescent spritz. Now, I like the droplets more than I like to spray it. I just think that look is, I don't know, I like that look better. And then next I decide that I'm going to use some gold to bring the gold from the title. Make sure when you're using these that you shake them up really well, so all the good stuff is at the bottom. Okay, then I uncover my photos. Now this quickly dries, but you might want to test it. Then I start adding some embellishments. Like I said, it really doesn't need a lot because there's so much going on in the background. But I do add the date, 2018. Then I had some embellishments from Carta Bella, but I don't believe they're part of the same collection as the paper. They're little circle embellishments. One's a Christmas tree, the other's a Santa, and the other is a peppermint candy. And they were self-adhesive. And then I'm going to add this tag. I cut off the bottom and I tuck it in. I just wanted to make sure that you could see that it was the number 25. So I go ahead and tuck it in. And then I just add one more thing, a tag that says Happy Holidays. And it is finished. That was a quick Christmas layout. Again, everything I used was from Carta Bella. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked it.